everyone! So, this is my 7th day of using Hamis soap. So, yun nga. Since it's my 7th day, meron na talaga akong mga napansin na pagbabago. So, nababanat talaga yung skin ko sa face. And, mas smoother. And, syempre, alam niyo naman na ang pinaka base talaga ng routine or face care routine natin is magandang soap, di ba? Yun yung pinaka base talaga. So, we have to really pick the best soap kasi yun yung pinakaunang step ng ating skincare routine, di ba? So, recommend ko talaga na this Hamis soap is one of the best talaga. Bukod sa meron siyang papaya, meron siyang vitamin C, meron siyang vitamin E, collagen, and glutathione. At marami pa siyang secret ingredient na nakakapagpabata at nakakaganda ng kutis. At I'm sure, dahil kilala ko po yung gumawa, this is organic soap, handmade, crafted beautifully, and of course, lagi nating iisipin guys, let us support local. Lalo na yung mga small business owners, kailangan natin silang isupport. That's the way to go guys. So, if the product is good, why not try it, diba? So, happy Hamis skin! Banlawan lang po natin. And yes, nabanlawan na po natin. Don't forget guys, just PM me. Malapit na ang launching next week na. Oh, this week. This weekend. And lagi ko namang tinatag yung maker ng soap, which is yung si Sir Loco, Miko. You can see it on my tag sa post na to. Underneath siya. So, you can order it to me. You can PM me. Mag-i-stock tayo guys kasi gusto ko talaga yung soap. And, of course, magkakaroon ka talaga ng instant glow. Ayan. Okay, guys? So,